How we doing, guys? We're going to jump into a Bitcoin analysis here. We're going to get really in-depth on the technical analysis patterns and the signs for a weekend drop. And we actually already are getting it a little bit. I just came out with the Ethereum video saying, yikes, guys, 4 bearish signs for a weekend crash. And we were actually already seeing that play out in the market. But Bitcoin looks a little different. So it's not the same. Some patterns are the same, but there's some other things I want to talk to you guys about. So let's just jump right in here. Basically, guys, all the indicators you see, they're in the description. I'll make this very fast. Come over to get the indicators. The bundle pack is right here. The newest indicators we just released are the TC top and bottom finder. It is literally calling the exact top candles on almost every single top point here of Bitcoin, as well as the lows here. It is the best indicator to call tops and bottoms in crypto. That's just how you make the most money, is if you can call tops and bottoms. That's in the description. So let's dive in here. Here are the 4 patterns and signs that I'm seeing that can contribute to a pretty nice weekend crash for crypto. So we're going to dive in here. We have what's called an ascending broadening wedge, okay? An ascending broadening wedge is a bearish pattern where the price action is moving in a wedge formation to the upside. And if you guys can see this here, this usually looks to break to the downside. Is it 100% guaranteed to break to the downside? No, not at all. But we do need to take this into the account today. We have an ascending broadening wedge, okay? And this pattern usually by nature is bearish. All right. That's our first sign that I want to show you guys. Secondly, we have what's called an impulse move down to a consolidation period, which the consolidation period is actually in an ascending channel formation. Put these together, and this is classically what's called a bear flag. And a bear flag, by nature, is going to be bearish. So you have a bear flag, and this is on the daily time frame, and this, by nature, is bearish. Okay. Let's go down to the other time frames here. I want to take you guys to the 4-hour before we go over more of the indicators here. On the 4-hour time frame, we have what's called a break and retest pattern that was playing out in the Ethereum video, but actually already played out this morning. So you've got this bear flag here, and you have what was called a break and a retest pattern up to the top here, and a break and a retest usually sees a move back down, which we are already in that formation right now with the sell signal, and we're seeing it come back down. So what happened here was that we ended up getting the sell on here, and because it moved down so fast down to structure support, we're now seeing a strong buy where we may get a little movement back up. But overall, a break and retest on an ascending channel is a bearish formation. So let's come back over here and we'll add this to our chart. This is going to be a bearish formation, and this is going to be on a break and retest. This is bearish. Okay, let's go over the other bearish sign. The last 4th very obvious bearish sign that we can all see that just happened here, honestly, within about the last hour or so, is we officially broke the ascending support line. This ascending support line has been pulled from wick value low at about 17,500, and it perfectly connects to this value low here on July 13th, and that's about 18,852. Bringing this into the future, we have our third touch at about 20,800, and we did break below this. So everybody using trend lines can clearly see now we did break an ascending support line. So we have an ascending support line break. And this is bearish by nature. Okay? So we have 4 very strong technical analysis weekend patterns that we can look at here to say, yes, this is a bearish sign in the market. Possibly the biggest one being this one here that we actually broke down below. Now, I would recommend everybody, listen to me carefully, is watching the daily time frame. The 4-hour time frame is going to get incredibly volatile because you're going to come out of a consolidation period. So let me get this a little bit bigger so you can see this. Consolidation periods, this can whipsaw back really fast, but I want everybody to come to the 1-day time frame to get a little less noise because it's going to get crazy on the lower time frames, guys. It will get nuts over this weekend. So the daily time frame is going to give us a little bit more peace in our trading, and I want you guys all to do this. Everyone needs to come over to the alert setting over here, and I want you guys to come over to Bitcoin, and then I want you to click TC top and bottom finder, and I want you guys to go to buy. Go to once per bar and go to BTC and set up the buy signal. Click create. Next, I want everyone to come over here. I want you guys to come on this TC top and bottom finder, and I want everyone to do a strong buy signal on Bitcoin, and we're going to do BTC strong buy. Okay? This is going to act as literally like a butler, a trade butler out there, if you will, that is going to be alerting you guys over the weekend if we get another buy signal. The crashes on cryptocurrency that we received a strong buy and a buy signal have been calling literally the bottoms of crypto before we see moves back up. Why am I making this such an emphasis in this video? The reason for this is because we are going to be inputting a lot more money into this market once we move back down here. I will be going over these indicators. Give me 1 second. The current account, guys, we've got 68.42% in cash and we've got 32% roughly in the actual market right now, okay? What I'm gonna be doing with that cash the next time a buy signal comes out or a strong buy is we are gonna be buying this market strong. Why should you pay attention to this? Because it is called the bottoms in the past. Let's move down here. We see the price versus well money flow here. Well money flow has been hovering steady with price over here. Trend exhaustion is now pushing to the downside. I wanna take you guys over to Ethereum real quick. If you guys were watching this morning, we actually had a form of divergence. This is very important to pay attention to. What you see right here is price action in pink is actually heading up, which you can see price action heading up here. During this duration of price candles going up, we actually see money flowing out of the market in the green line here. This is a form of bearish divergence, which usually pushes the price down, which is playing out perfectly this morning. Now for Ethereum, the little saving grace we have, guys, for the weekend is Ethereum still has an ascending support line to break and hold. So right now, I would say if we see Ethereum break down below $1,500, that is an official break of the ascending support, and that could get really, really bearish for the overall crypto market. So moving into this weekend, I don't make this a long video. I really want you guys to pay attention. We have 4 very strong, I would say, you know, if we added a 5th here, guys, I would say the SPY got a crazy rejection here. People weren't expecting this, guys. We ended up breaking past the resistance here of 417, and we ended up coming back down below 417 on SPY, which is also bringing down the market. So this is honestly actually a 5th sign up here that we can put up here for technically we have a 5th sign, and the SPY broke support. And a break of support is bearish in nature, okay? That's just an extra kind of global market thing we need to be watching because SPY will affect crypto. I know some people don't like it. They want to separate crypto from the SPY, but you cannot do it yet. You can't do it yet, guys. It's still going to impact it. So a break of support here, if you guys understand this, we broke above the resistance, and once price was above this resistance, it became support. We broke that support now, and we technically are below the support here. This has the potential to come down to probably about $400 at the whole level, and that is where we could potentially be heading over into the next week. That will drop crypto another 6 to 10% easily if we move down to about $400. So overall in the weekend, guys, just being unbiased about this analysis, we have 5 bearish technical analysis patterns in the market that are probably going to keep pushing us down over the weekend. Now let me end with this. Because they're all so bearish and everyone's looking at this, is there a scenario here where retail traders come out and they sell a bunch and we get what's called a short squeeze? So you're like, okay, Travis, well, what do? We got signs that we're bearish, but we've got a possible short squeeze. Here is what I'm doing, and I think it's sound wisdom for you guys to follow if you'd like. I'm not a financial advisor, but let me explain this to you. Take a look at what we're doing over here. We have 68% in cash. A lot of you guys have everything you have in the market right now, right? If you're watching this video, we've got 68% cash. What you can do right now, if you guys would like, let's say you have all of your money in the market. What if you just took out, not financial advice, please listen here. What if you just took out 20%? Let's say you guys are working with $100,000 in your account and you have open trades right now and the account is fully exposed to the market. What if you closed 20% of all your trades right now and you simply bought in at lower buy limits in case the market crashes? Here's the worst case scenario you get to sleep with tonight if this market crashes and you sell 20%. You wake up on Monday or Tuesday and the market absolutely reversed and you made money on 80% of your money. That's great. You're telling me the worst case scenario here is if you sell, you earn on 80% instead of 100. But then what did you do? You can rest your head on your pillow tonight, guys, on Friday. Go out, have fun, go on the town, take your spouse out to dinner, go have a blast tonight, and you've got 20% set at lower buy limits. So if and when we do crash, you guys have insurance on your account and you can buy lower buy limits, which will give you more coins in the end, and you will make more money as it goes back up. If you are fully exposed to the market, this is not financial advice, just personal opinion, but I would highly recommend exiting about 10 to 20% of everything you have. Earn on the 80% if we go back up, but let that other 20% be bought at buy limits, okay? Buy limits, let's end here. The indicator comes with buy limits. I want you guys to turn this on once you guys have it. This is set at incredible support and Fibonacci retracement levels. You guys can see the prices here. The first buy limit is going to be 16,017. The second buy limit is going to be 11,442. They're all going to update with live price, and then we have one way down here for really, really good risk management in case you guys think we're going to go down to $5,000. I think 10,000 is potentially possible. I think 5,000 is too aggressive. But this does come with really good risk management where you guys can actually see the support levels and coded in Fibonacci retracements here to get you guys into the good risk management. I highly personal opinion would say if you are fully exposed to the market right now on Friday, I would take out 10 to 20% and buy lower buy limits just in case we crash. 5 undisputed technical analysis patterns are staring us in the face right now. And if you don't take this advice, that's fine. But I just want to present this to you guys on this channel. Subscribe, guys. Get the indicators in the description. You guys are going to get a sweet deal. If you guys want to get the bundle pack, which includes the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow, you guys are going to get $400 off our new indicator up here. Let me read this out to you real quick. If you've purchased the bundle pack below, email us and you guys will get a huge discount above. What we've actually done is we've ended up including this in this link here. So everybody who gets the bundle pack today, which is going to include these 2 indicators down here, which we're going to be using more on this channel, you guys are going to get in the checkout a special gift PDF. That special gift PDF has a coupon code that you guys can click right here and get the new indicator, and it will give you $400 off. It's actually over 50% off. The reason why we did that is to honor everybody who has purchased our bundle pack in the past or is currently purchasing it. It's cheaper to buy this and get the coupon code and buy this than buy the new indicators outright. Okay, people have been doing very well with this. We've had people already make their money back within 24 to 48 hours. I've already made my money back and more. Guy making $2,000 off our scalping trade. This guy literally did 450% because he used leverage. Just being honest with you guys, he did use leverage on the 30-minute, but the indicators are the best that we can find to get you guys in and out of the market. The membership, if you guys want, $75 a month, you'll get access to all stocks and crypto charts, and you guys can view those every single day. They're going to be updating, and it's the metric every single day. If you guys want the cheaper option, the membership will give you guys access to all this, and you can watch it. Watch it over the weekend. This is what we're watching, guys, is for the next buy signal on Bitcoin and Ethereum to see the turnaround in the market, because that is where we're going to buy. We're also scalping, guys, and we're currently 440% more than the S&P 500. We're going to be calling more trades out. We're currently managing a trade in our membership. So once you guys get a membership and you get the indicators, you have everything you need to join us on our scalping trades, and I honestly believe to be really successful in trading crypto, and that is what we're offering to you guys. So buy the indicator below. It's there for you guys. Make sure you guys give yourself the coupon code, the discount, once you purchase the bundle pack. And guys, have just a really, really awesome Friday, and I will see you guys back here on Monday. Once you guys purchase, email us. We'll give you guys access before the weekend, so make sure you do that ASAP right now, and we'll see you guys later. All right, bye guys. God bless.